Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Bitcoin Bulletin. I'm your host today. We've got some fantastic news for all you Bitcoin investors out there. After weeks of steady momentum and bullish consolidation, our beloved digital currency has finally broken through its all-time highs, reaching a whopping $112,000. That's right, the price is now trading above the psychological $100,000 level, marking a major shift in market structure and confirming that bulls are firmly in control. This breakout wasn't just technical, it was backed by strong positioning across derivatives markets. According to data from CoinGlass, Bitcoin's weekly liquidation heat map reveals a dense cluster of liquidity around the $105,700 level. This area could act as a magnet in the short term, with some traders expecting a brief sweep into that zone before BTC resumes its upward trajectory. And let me tell you, this is exciting news for all those holding onto their coins. It shows just how strong the bullish sentiment is right now and how much confidence investors have in Bitcoin's potential to continue rising. Now, it's worth noting that while the price has surged, market sentiment hasn't turned euphoric yet. A cautiously bullish tone still dominates as macroeconomic conditions remain tight, with high U.S. Treasury yields and growing instability in global trade continuing to weigh on risk assets. However, unlike many other altcoins which are trading below their previous cycle highs, Bitcoin seems to be thriving in this high-stress environment. Its resilience is being closely watched, as capital continues to favor BTC over smaller, more volatile assets. This relative strength reinforces Bitcoin's status as a macro hedge, especially in uncertain economic conditions. Top analyst Ted Pillows has also added to the discussion by highlighting data from CoinGlass, which shows significant liquidity sitting around the $105,700 level on the BTC weekly liquidation heat map. According to Pillows, this cluster could serve as a short-term magnet, suggesting that a quick sweep of that zone may occur before Bitcoin resumes its upward move. Liquidity at $105K is thick. A dip into that area could clear out late longs before the next leg higher, he noted. That's quite a statement from an expert in the field, and it shows just how much conviction there is around this breakout. So, with Bitcoin holding key levels and sentiment remaining grounded, the setup is favorable for continuation, but not without potential volatility. If BTC can defend the $100K, $105K range and reclaim $110K, the next push toward new highs may arrive sooner than expected. For now, bulls remain in control, but traders are staying alert as global markets remain on edge. Moving on to the 4-hour chart, we see Bitcoin trading at $108,249 after a strong push to $112,000 earlier in the week. The chart shows BTC currently consolidating above a confluence of key moving averages, including the 34 EMA, $108,046, $50 SMA, $106,840, and 100 SMA, $105,109, all of which are trending upward. These levels now serve as dynamic support zones, keeping the short-term structure bullish as long as price remains above them. Despite the rejection near $112K, BTC has avoided any aggressive sell-off and continues to respect the mid-range levels of its recent breakout. The $103,600 level is a key horizontal support and previously acted as a resistance ceiling. Now it provides a strong base if any deeper correction occurs. Volume has declined during this pullback phase, indicating that the selling pressure is likely corrective rather than the start of a trend reversal. If bulls can maintain control above $106K and reclaim momentum above $110K, a retest of the recent highs is likely. So there you have it, a thrilling update on Bitcoin's latest move. And with its strong positioning, bullish sentiment, and macro hedge status, this currency seems poised for further gains. Thanks for joining us at Bitcoin Bulletin today.